Hello everybody, today we make a pasta salad. This it's really good, nice start to be warm up outside, a nice barbecue, a beautiful salad. I like the salad. And we got all the ingredients right in front of me. We got fresh corn, green herbs, red onion, sweet pepper, sweet, no sweat, sweet pepper, orzo, parsley from my garden, little tomato, I got oil, vinegar, and mustarda. La mustarda, it's really good for the salad. After when you eat this nice cold beer or nice glass of wine outside, and nice rib, chicken, a nice and beautiful pasta salad. Now, first thing we cook the pasta, okay, gotta cool off. I got water and I salty already. And this is the pasta, and we start cook the pasta. We give a nice turn. Okay, now we start with the pepper, and we chop the pepper. And we do like this, a little cube. And we do all the same thing, the pepper. Okay, we did the pepper, and now we put right on this big bowl. Okay, after it gotta be mixed all together. Okay, now the pepper is done, and now we can start with the onion. And I slide like this. After we make like little cube too. Okay. Alright. And the onion is done, and we put it together with the pepper. Okay, now the pasta is done, and we gotta drain the pasta. But like this, we take the starch out a little bit, and we put right over here with the cold water. But the pasta gotta be cold. Cool off the pasta, and we drain. Okay, now the pasta is drained, and we put right on this bowl. That's it. And we leave right over here, okay, after it gotta be mixed everything with the rest. Okay, now the pasta is cool off, and I put a little drop oil like this, you know, stick it together. And I put like this, it's enough. And you mix a little bit, and like this, you see, when you put in the salad, it's no stick together. Now we got ours, it's too big, but you can buy the smaller one, and you no cut it. But this is a big one, and I want to cut it in half. And now we put together everything in the same bowl. Now we got a juicy corn. This is a really fresh corn. When I was in Italy, I was pick it up, nice and fresh, and we was eat. Not the corn like this. I just like it. You play the guitar or the harmonica. It was so good. Now we gotta use a knife. Okay, and we use like that. It's really, 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 really good. This is raw. Now, one time this is done, make sure you take each one and you cut like that, but you gotta have a good knife. You cut in a half, and after you cut another half, like that, you make a salad. This is so delicious. You see, you gotta cut 4 pieces of one little corn, okay? I don't think so, right? Okay, now this is ready, and now we put it right inside this bowl. Oh, so nice. Everybody talk about this salad. Don't worry about it. I'm not give it to you. I eat it by myself. Okay, now we put this on the bowl. Oh, this is gotta be beautiful salad. Really nice. Okay, now we gotta start the chop of the tomato. Okay, look at this. Oh, nice juicy tomato. This is a juicy tomato. We're the one that started my tomato. Okay, now it's the time of the tomato. Oh, look how nice, fresh tomato. This is my garden, and what I do, I cut this, and now we chop. Okay, now we got a parsley, and we put the parsley. Oh, this parsley is so good. It smells good. Okay, now we got everything that was a chop. And now it's a time to put the orzo. Okay, let me make sure I clean up good, okay? Really nice. Al dente. Okay, now I got the oil, I got the vinegar, and I got the mostarda. Now we start with the mostarda first. Okay, good. Oh, I need the smoke. What are you left for? You give it to me this empty?
You ran out?
But look, it's empty. What I gotta clean?
You gotta scoop it out with the rest.
Come on, you got a knot over here.
So do you have another one or?
You got a mono. It's this one.
That's it? Uh-oh.
All right. Wait. You know what? You know what I do? I'll do something. Okay, we do this. Okay. Yeah, I put over here. Now you know what I gotta do. Look. This is the vinegar. I hope you got a vinegar. Oh yeah, it's full. Yeah, I put some of the vinegar inside of the jar. Okay. And now I do like this. Look. You see, you know, can throw away not. You can throw away the glass. Another. Look at that. Look. Beep, 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 beep. And we got a mostarda. A mostarda. Good. Look. Nice. Clean. Okay, now we gotta use oil. This is really, really good oil. Oh, look at the color. Okay. Now we put a little salt. Not too much salt. You know, the pasta already I put salt and black pepper. Oh, this salad is gotta be so good. Okay. And now we gotta do nice mix. Mix nice. Okay, you don't want to break the tomato, okay? Oh. We put a little more vinegar. That's enough. And now we give a nice mix again. Okay, I know was put too much vinegar. All right. And now it's a time that I want to taste my pasta salad. And let me put like a little bit over here. Yeah, it's a really good salad for outside on a barbecue, or you can eat inside. You can eat every place. I remember when I was in Italy, we was to take the train to go to France in Switzerland. We was to bring everything on the train. bread, the pasta. Everybody was looking. 'Cause we was from the South Italy. And when we reached the North Italy, everybody said, "Wow, que big bread they got. I can taste it. Give me a piece." Everybody asked for the bread. But this pasta salad, it's really good. It's delicious, really good. Thank you. We see next time with this another different recipe. Thank you so much. Really, really good pasta salad.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hi, sir. Good morning. This is Mira, and I am with the local real estate team in the area.
Wait. I was just trying to figure out if you needed the car's warranty extended.
Yes, I need the guarantee. My car it's 1818. Nobody want to give it to me the insurance in my car.
Oh, why did they hang up? I wonder why.
Okay, now I finish calling this, but still he got some over here. And I want to stay next to this one. Okay, you know, the corner, it's everything is good.
You think you can make tomato sauce with those?
This? Yeah. You make a tomato sauce, I don't know how many million tomato you need.